This storm is producing winds up to around 60 miles per hour as well as penny-sized hail. With this storm, as it continues to work its way, it's going to clip the southern portion of Rio Rancho, and it's going to continue to work its way toward Bernalillo as well. We have that severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 5:30, and this storm and that's going to be key, especially for the western part of the state, to be above average, because that's where our most severe drought is still located across the Four Corners. Yes. That's where we're still seeing some major problems with the drought situation. Areas out east that have done stellar so far this year, they are starting to pull out of drought, especially across the southeast. We are going to be continuing to deal with this rainfall as it continues to work its way through the valley, at least over the next hour or so. But we talk all the time about getting little vortices in the atmosphere, and what that is little spins that allow for some of these storms to develop. And that's exactly what we got over Albuquerque this afternoon. As you watch this loop, you can see a little bit of spin as that storm starts to roll through Albuquerque, and that was just enough to get us some big-time rain and also to give us a severe thunderstorm earlier in the Albuquerque metro area. Now, everything is starting to quiet down. By the end of the week, we're going to be watching the tropics very carefully because we are going to be looking at an enhancement in that moisture. Now, right now, we do have quite a busy Eastern Pacific going on with Hurricane Jimena. We also have Hurricane Ignacio and Hurricane Kilo. Here's Hawaii right there for reference, but those aren't the storms that we're actually watching. We have another storm that has just developed this afternoon, Tropical Depression number 14, and this is what we're going to be watching for moisture to move back into the state for the end of the week. As this storm drifts to the north, it will eventually get picked up around the outer edge of this area of high pressure, and that's going to throw more moisture into our direction, giving us a better chance at more widespread showers and storms. A couple of things in place this year, and that's what's led to an already wet spring. And we have a fairly impressive El Nino starting to set up. Now, if you look at the sea surface temperatures over the past few years, this line right here representing what would be average sea surface temperatures, you look for the warmer temperatures to indicate an El Nino, and the last big one we had was back around 2010. But then we went into a very strong La Nina. It looked like we were going to pull out of it, and then we had a double dip La Nina out of this one. Still looked like we were going to try to pull out of it and get an El Nino going back in 2012. Fell back into a little bit of a La Nina situation the past couple of years, but this year we are finally getting onto the right track for our current El Nino, and that is... All right, let's take a look at what's going on. We do have a few clouds streaming through Albuquerque, trying to get a couple of showers going as well. You can notice the clouds are moving from the south and west over the valley floor, and that's where we're going to be watching to try to get some of those showers going. We're trying to get a couple of light showers on the south side of the city right now, and we are going to continue to watch for that chance at a few showers through the next few hours or so over the city of Albuquerque. There are those showers that are starting to form in the South Valley just south of the Big Eye, and we're going to continue to watch those showers slide their way over I-25 eastward toward the mountains, and we will continue to watch for more showers to try to move through. We're already starting to get a couple of those to form in the southwestern portion of Bernalillo County. Meanwhile, we're seeing more widespread showers over the Gila right now, and this is where we're going to watch to try to get more of those showers to find our way toward Albuquerque later on this evening. As we move through the next few hours, we'll continue to also watch a few of these showers across the northeastern corner of the state. A few of those showers forming over the Sandias and then sliding over the I-25 corridor between Las Vegas and Raton. And we're also seeing a few of those showers in the northeastern portions of the state now starting to move through Union County. And meanwhile, we are looking at a warm afternoon, 87 degrees the current temperature in Albuquerque with the southwest wind at 7 miles per hour. Temperatures much cooler across the north and west where we've seen all the shower activity. In fact, we're only at 79 in Raton, 85 in Santa Fe, 78 for Grants, but where we've seen more sunshine, it has really heated up this afternoon. 97 in Tucumcari, 97 also for Carlsbad and Roswell. Hobbs sitting at a cooler 90 degrees. As we spread the picture out, we are still dealing with the area of high pressure, which is sitting over the state. We're getting a little bit of moisture around the area of high pressure across the western and northern portions of the state, and that's really going to be our setup over the next couple of afternoons. Not much is going to change until we get toward the latter part of the week. So for tonight, we'll start to see those showers and storms diminish. We'll be looking at those clouds. We'll even clear out some of those clouds through the overnight as well. Then into tomorrow, another round of showers and storms, and the same locations we're really seeing them this afternoon. Northern mountains over toward the Gila and into the northwestern corner of the state, and we'll continue to watch those areas once again on Wednesday for more showers and storms. Then toward Thursday and Friday, we watch for some additional tropical moisture to move in from the Pacific Ocean, and as that moves through, we'll expand our shower chances and see more widespread showers and storms, some of which could dump some heavy rainfall into Thursday and Friday, and we'll hold on to some of that moisture into the weekend as well. Southern Colorado, increasing clouds for the day tomorrow. Afternoon storms, a good possibility once again, especially over the higher terrain. Better chances at showers and storms late in the week and into the weekend. Over the northwest, partly cloudy skies. We'll be looking for some afternoon storms once again for tomorrow afternoon, but really ramping up those shower and storm chances for the end of the week and start of the weekend. Over the southwest, partly sunny skies. We'll be watching the Gila once again for some of those showers and storms, and we'll continue with those storm chances at least over the higher terrain over the next few days. Over the southeast, mostly sunny and hot. Temperatures into the mid-90s for tomorrow. We'll be watching for better shower and storm chances toward the weekend as that additional moisture rolls through. Over the northeast, partly sunny skies, a few afternoon storms possible once again for tomorrow. We'll be looking at those storm chances once again toward the end of the week. Over the northern mountains, partly cloudy with afternoon storms. The higher terrain will continue with those afternoon storms through the end of the week. Just a little bit more cloud cover for Santa Fe until the end of the week when we get more of that moisture. In the east mountains, partly cloudy with some afternoon storms around. We'll be looking for better storm chances toward the end of the week here as well. In the metro, mostly to partly sunny skies. Could pick up a spot storm tomorrow, very much like what we're seeing this afternoon, but we'll really ramp up those storm chances toward the end of the week and the weekend as we see more of that moisture around, with temperatures returning to the low 80s.
Okay, thanks, John.